here we are in Kaysville, heading over to Symphony Homes at Sunset. I forgot what it's called, Sunset something. And I'm gonna go look at the empty lots.
Here's RJ. Okay. We're heading to Symphony Home.
This is the west side, the northwest side of the Wasatch Front.
Yeah.
It's all filling in. A lot of homes going in everywhere. Running out of land.
Yep.
We're buying lots and just building on them. Custom built.
Here it is?
Yeah, remember the circle, RJ?
Yep.
Circle.
Elementary and
Snow Horse Elementary. And up here is Sunset Equestrian Estates. There it is, Symphony Homes.
here.
This is the final phase. It's been around for 5 years, this subdivision.
Oh, now I
You remember this? Yeah. Going to four-wheel drive. Oh, four-wheel high.
There's the junior high. It's not their junior high.
Yep. Forgot what it's called. Centennial?
Junior high.
Four-wheel. We don't need four-wheel for this. It's a new road. How about that lot right there? Yeah, they put pipes in and they.
Right now there's dirt on the road.
Oh yeah, they're gonna
Yes.
fix it.
Still construction, RJ.
Oh, it's like a 3-story home. Yeah, it is.
Look at that house there, so big.
Can't get over now. They dug a hole.
Then don't go in there.
Oh, I'm not gonna go there.
It's bumpy.
Yeah, here we are.
Okay, we get out now. Here's RJ walking. And Daddy there.
Looking up the map.
And there is the view. Is can see the school, junior high.
This one down the other side of the road.
Here's RJ.
I actually slid into a yellow hole and look what happened.
I told you. It's dirty your shoes now. Look at that there. This is the all new lot in Symphony Home in Kaysville. There it is. Moo! You look at me? Moo! That you, RJ? Where are you, RJ? Here's RJ. Here's the view of the mountain. There he is. Is RJ. So dirty your shoes now, RJ. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like my dirt brand shoe. It's like dirt brand. They slide down.
There it is. There's the brand new house. Okay, there he is.
Where are we going next?
Go back.
Back to Smith's. I had a bee chase me down the road. It was all over my head. Right in front of that lot.
That's why you took the car?
That's why I took it. Well, I wanted to pick you up because we're not going to jump over that pile. Could collapse. That would be a bad thing. You know.
Sprinkler. There is.
Sunset Equestrian Estates.
And we go to the main entrance there. There's the church.
Where are we going?
Going Smith's.
Why are you taking this way?
Want to go around and see those other houses from the front. Out of 4-wheel.
There is the entrance. There is. And here's the new model home there. At model homes. Before that model home. The first model home here. There's a nice house here. Have HOA. Have a pool. Oh, have other car there. They go.
Hey, look.
Looking on that. And there is. Other new house. Very nice subdivision and good school too. Elementary and junior high. It's close. Oh, a baby there.
Oh, they're having a party.
At this landscape here.
That's a.
Look at this house here. So big.
They put some money in that place, the landscaping. Probably 25,000 at least.
Other party.
Dual house party. 2 homes. There's the main entrance.
There's the main entrance here. There he is. There he is. Cannot see now.
You can't see the sign, no. Sun's shining at it anyway. There they go.
That's there,
There's one first house over there.
big tree there. Look at that tree.
See the houses.
Oops.
Blocks the sun, though.
Yeah,
Boy, look at
that house there.
Look at this yard he's got.
But that's a big
Oh, that's
yard.
a nice house. That's a mansion.
Yeah, that's the big
That's
house.
for
I think.
sale.
That's the big house, honey.
Another big house. These houses have been here a long time. You can see the trees.
Yeah, so big.
That's the one that I thought was haunted. Right there.
That house.
Curved driveway in the front. All these were along there.
Oh, have other here, new. What's
Yep.
this here?
No sign. They probably sold it. There's another one.
Yeah.
All big homes back in the day. Probably 20, 30 years ago they built it. Planted all those trees and they're gigantic now. This goes over by the cul-de-sac now. Oh no, that's a house. Look like regular houses. This is the one that's got a business here.
Yeah. Have a trailer there.
Mommy,
Yeah.
It's for sale.
stop the video. 'Cause I need to tell you something.
And then some trailers. That's the school back there.
Yeah, that's the
Is that a mini
junior
church?
high.
Centennial. Yeah, junior high. Okay,
High rated school too.
that's it for today.
Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.